Hello everyone, I am fine and hope you are all doing well and your loved ones are safe and happy. Hey viewers, I am here again with another outstanding fantastic video. The guys you're watching the best and trendy collections of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season, completely waterproof and windproof, excellent romantic hooded raincoats. Dear viewers, if you want to see much more collections about fashion, raincoats, rainwear dresses, party wear dresses, leather boots, hunter boots, rain boots, leather skirts, mini skirts, satin silk dresses, satin silk night dresses, and much more collections of raincoats and rainwear dresses you can see on my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and such videos about your own choice. Yeah guys, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Be careful.